2 Christmas presents.
3 times Della counted it. $1.87. Tomorrow would be Christmas Day, and this was all she had to buy her husband Jim a present. She had saved and saved for months, but she still only had $1.87 to buy a present for Jim. Her Jim. Della wanted to buy him something really nice, something to show him how much she loved him. Della looked at herself in the mirror. Her hair was long and beautiful. She stared at it for a moment, then quickly put on her old brown jacket and hat, and left the apartment. Della walked along East 65th Street and stopped outside a building with a sign which read, Madame Sofronie, Hair Specialist. Della went into the building and knocked on Madame Sofronie's door. The door opened, and a large woman stood there. "Do you buy hair?" Della asked. "I buy hair," said Madame Sofronie. "Take your hat off and let me look at it." Della took off her hat and let her hair down. It was very long, down to her knees. Madame Sofronie touched Della's hair with her hand. $20, she said. $20? Yes, cut it off. Give me the money, said Della. For the next 2 hours, Della went from shop to shop, looking for a present to buy for Jim. He had one thing that he really loved. It was an old gold watch that once belonged to his father, and before that to his grandfather. It was a really beautiful watch,